what do people typically do when they are unloading their cans? They open up the side just like this, and they take these out. By the way, I'm super excited to try these right here. And then they load one by one into their desired compartment right here. My goal on this channel is to save you so much time and money and have fun while we're doing it. Like, you certainly could do this option right here, but let's kick it up a notch, shall we? Open your carton of choice on one end. Yes, one end, and we're gonna open the other end here in just a second. But we're gonna do one end first. This will be just fine. Open the other end. You can see I basically have massacred it right here. Put it wherever you want in your selected location, and then all you're gonna do is you're just gonna go ahead and push your cans out. This would be easier if I had the other hand holding the box right here, but I'm just showing you, you can do this one-handed if you have an injury of some sort, or you are keeping your dog off your ankle or your child. But look at that. In there, all nice. You'll never want to unload your pop or soda cans any other way again. I'm just gonna do this one-handed right here. In fact, when it's grocery day at your house and you need some help unloading, just call your girl up. I would love to help you unload all of your cans, because look at how nice that looks right in there. Yes, baby, yes. If you love all things cleaning and life hacks, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.